Oh, Asher doesn't like women's basketball. What the fuck? His tail's wagging. He likes it. We're putting you in women's clothing again, Asher.
Just do it.
Well, Steve had me make a video of him jumping into this shirt.
Pretty good.
You did, didn't you, Asher? You wanted to put that on.
He looks like he's dying.
Look at your big fat belly hanging out of it. I still think you're prettier than me in it. Oh, you got it.
You should take it back to your friend and be like, it's been ruined.
The dog ate it. Oh, Asher, you're so cute.
I wonder if he can get it off.
I doubt it. I think he's going to be wearing it for a belt soon.
It's so weird. I'm like, why is he doing it right there?
Because he's stupid. This is your dog we're talking about. Gonna sit at my feet, Asher. He's touching my foot.
Gross. Ooh, almost.
Why are you laying on my foot, dog?
Hello?
Alright. Oh, you got it, Asher. Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Good job.